What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video, guys, it's all about this crypto here called Chain XCN, which has pumped up in value over the last potentially half an hour. It just pumped up in value out of nowhere, going from about 5 cents to 0.05706. Again, it has gone up 14% up in value, so we're going to be looking at where is it heading to next. Is it time to buy it before it goes even higher? Is it a risky time? Should you sell it if you are on a profit? Is it too late to buy it? Covering both buyers and sellers' point of view, and looking at its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2022. Looking at how high and how low this crypto can go, and especially over the long run, with 2023 just around the corner, how far can this crypto go? But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently on the Coinbase website. As you can see, the market is down just about 1.51% in the last 24 hours. However, Chain XCN has managed to gain the third spot in the top gainers list in the last 24 hours. In the last hour, it gained 14% in value. So as you guys can see, it literally pumped up about 20 minutes as of me recording this video, probably about an hour or two when it will get released. But yeah, the pump was very, very recent. Over the last day, 15%. Over the week, however, it has only gone up 1%. The only reason for that is we can see major drops here on October the 26th, which was just about 4 or 5 days ago. And ever since then, it's been doing nothing but slowly and steadily dropping in value. Over the month, it is an overall 20% down, guys. So major decrease in value over the last 4 weeks, consistently dropping in value with very minimal peaks here and there in between. But overall, it has been moving towards the negative direction. Now, going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up by a massive 270% in the last 24 hours, making it $17.5 million in trading, which is still a huge amount of money that is currently being traded on chain. We can see a lot of buyers, a lot of sellers, and in general, just a lot of people trading the crypto. As you can see, we've got 12% buy against 88%. So not sure how accurate this figure is, because yeah, look, there's majority of the people selling the crypto, taking out the profits potentially as it's pumped up in value, and we've got minority of them buying the crypto. However, again, this is what Coinbase is telling us, is not something that I've made up of, obviously. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'll be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of chain, which at the moment is 0.05936. However, it is trading at a slightly lower value at 0.05717, meaning it is not performing too well and lower than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart. But before I do that, just a little disclaimer, guys. This is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, what can we see? As usual, we've got the blue line and the orange line looking very, very positive, very steep, going in a bullish direction. However, that is not realistic at all. The only reason why we're seeing steep lines is because of the major increase that's taken place over the last half an hour. The graph thinks, you know what, it's going to keep pumping, it's going to keep going up in value, so on and so on, because of the major increase. However, that is not the case. It is not realistic at all. What I am expecting is an overall drop in value over the coming 12 to 14 hours. So towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, I am expecting an overall drop in value on Chain XCN, potentially dropping down to where it was earlier today, so down to around the 5 cents target is what my predictions are. And again, this doesn't mean we're going to be consistently hitting red candles for the next 12-14 hours. Of course not. We are going to have hours when it's up, hours down. Green and red candlestick is going to be quite volatile, but the overall outcome, as previously mentioned, seems to be more on the negative side rather than the positive side. Now, moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, again, we've still got the blue line and the orange line looking very bullish, heading towards the positive direction, looking quite steep as well. And again, the exact same reason applies here. So again, it is not realistic at all. So guys, I am expecting once again an overall drop in value over the coming weeks, over the coming days from Chain again. So let's say towards the end of this week, early next week, I'm expecting an overall drop in value below the 5 cents target is what my predictions are as of right now. However, this may change according to any new updates, new news that they've got coming up. You know, we can't predict any of these things, but if there are such news, then I will make sure to keep you guys updated as much as I can and as soon as I can on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well. Now, moving on to the daily chart, we got the blue line looking slightly bullish, heading towards a positive direction, and the orange line is still looking bearish, heading towards a negative direction. So essentially, we've got two lines going the opposite direction to each other. One's looking bullish and one's looking negative. So guys, do expect, as previously said in this video, I am expecting an overall drop in value over the long run as well. So early December to mid-December, we should be more or less fluctuating around the 5 cents target. However, this depends on Bitcoin, guys. Let's keep it real. If Bitcoin drops to 10-15k, we are going to see most cryptos dropping. However, if Bitcoin decides to pump up to 30-35k, you know, highly unlikely, but if it does even manage to pump up to about 25 or 30k, then we are going to see major increases in the crypto market, including Chain. So guys, anything like that, I will make sure to keep you guys updated on, but again, nothing like that is predicted. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale to do some technical analysis. As you can see, there isn't much we can do here. Only reason for that is we are trading in the lowest part of the red zone, and for us to hit the green zone, we're going to have to hit at least 8 cents in target, which I'm not expecting from Chain XE and anytime soon. So more or less, it is very likely we are going to be stuck in the red zone for most of this year and potentially a quarter to a half of next year as well. So by mid next year, we should be able to head into the green zone. But again, this depends on any updates, any news, or any collaborations that Chain XE and themselves have got going on. So yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on this crypto, guys. If you guys want regular updates on this crypto, let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll be more than happy to keep you guys updated on a regular basis on this crypto. And before you click off the video, what I want you guys to do is comment down below your expectations and your predictions on this crypto. What is the highest or lowest figure this crypto can go in 2022? Let me know in the comment section down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto, as I've seen a lot of positive and negative comments around it. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. A massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I'm trying to hit the 100k subscriber target by the end of the year. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today. Until then, take care and peace.